Gross versus net income. Let's break down two terms you've probably heard: gross income and net income. Gross is the total, everything you brought in. That's your ticket sales, merch, grants, tips, whatever. Net is what's left after you subtract your expenses. So let's say your show brings in $10,000, but you spent $8,000 on venues, fees, and costumes. That means your net is $2,000. Gross is the full tip jar. Net is what's left after you pay the DJ and replace your tights. This difference matters when you're planning, budgeting, or evaluating a project, because gross tells you what came in, and net tells you what you actually keep.